everyone, we are already in September, and September is Heritage Month in South Africa, when we as South Africans celebrate our nation's diverse culture and heritage. And there's no better way of celebrating this than with food. My name is Zakia, and welcome to my channel, Culinary Vlogs by Z. Today I am sharing with you South Africa's favorite breakfast scone, which is made with amasi or yogurt. I've tweaked the original recipe a bit to make this more rich and more flavorful, and this can be enjoyed for breakfast and even an event such as an high tea. So let's get started on this amazing South African amasi or yogurt scone. Let's start by adding in all our dry ingredients, and for this I'm going to need 2 cups of flour, and this is all-purpose baking flour or wheat flour. To this I'm going to add in 4 heaped teaspoons of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Then give this a quick mix. Taking another bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of yogurt or amasi, whatever you have available. To this add in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then just give this a quick mix until all the ingredients are properly mixed together. Bringing back the bowl with the dry ingredients, I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of melted butter and then just place it into the dry ingredients and mix this until it resembles breadcrumbs. Adding the butter is what gives it a lovely, rich flavor. Then, taking our liquid ingredients, I'm going to add this into the dry mixture. And then mix this until you get a lovely, soft, workable dough. Once your dough is ready, you're going to dust a surface, your work surface, and then just place the dough on the top. Roll out the dough to about 1.5 centimeters thick, and then using a knife, just cut them into squares or whatever shape you like. I'm going to be cutting them a bit rustic. And remember that this will rise or double in size, so don't cut them too small or too big. Don't forget to lightly grease your oven tray. Then place the scones onto the tray. So some of them I've just cut because they were a bit too big, like this one for example. Take 1 egg, lightly beat this, and then brush the top of each scone with this. Doing this actually gives the scone a lovely finish. Now it's time to place these into a preheated oven to 100 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you're trying this recipe out for the first time, I suggest you try baking it at 180 degrees Celsius first and see how it turns out. And out of the oven, these are what they would look like. Let's see. Perfectly baked. I would serve these with some apricot jam and some fresh cream, and you have yourself some lovely South African amasi or yogurt scones. As an alternative, you could also use this to make savory scones by adding in some grated cheese and herbs of your choice. Do try this amazingly delicious, quick and easy recipe and celebrate by being part of the South African heritage. Until the next vlog, happy baking!